Hi, this is John Block at Mr. Block Tutors Math. Here's my website. If you want to find out more about Mr. Block Tutors Math, go to that website. If you need help with your skills, your math skills, or you need help with story problems or your homework or getting ahead in math, go to this website and I can help you with that. So I had a student of mine, and my student wanted to know, does pi, get bigger when you have a bigger pie or a bigger circle? What he was doing was confusing PIE with PI. And yes, when you have a bigger pan or a bigger circle, the PIE does definitely get bigger, and you can enjoy a bigger piece of PIE. However, PI or pi will still be the same. And that's because pi is a ratio of circumference to diameter. So if circumference goes up, you've got a bigger pan. Diameter also goes up. And when you divide them out, you're still going to get 3.14 and so forth. It's an irrational number that goes on forever. Well, he wondered about that. So we decided, well, we'll just do an example. Well, we couldn't find any pie tins, but we found two bowls. One bowl looked like something like this, and another bowl was the same kind of shape, but a lot bigger. And what we did is we marked each bowl, and then we took and made a straight line on 3 pieces of paper that we scotch taped together. And we set each bowl down, like we set the bowl down on its edge. So there's a bowl on its edge, and with the mark right down, and we marked the piece of paper right there. Well, then we rolled that bowl along the piece of paper until the mark came back onto the bottom again. And that distance we called circumference. This distance over here from one side to the other side, of course, we called diameter. So what we got in our first situation, the first bowl, we had D1 and C1. The circumference 1 on the first bowl was 15 and 1/8, and the diameter of the first bowl was 4 7/8. So then circumference over diameter should be pi. Well, we took and just changed these to improper fractions. So we had 121 over 8 for 15 and 1/8, and we had 39/8 for 4 7/8. Then we canceled out the 8s, got 121 over 39, which turns out to be 3.103 rounded off, about pi. We did that again, circumference 2 and circumference and diameter 2. But these we changed to decimals, so we had 19.375 for the circumference, how far it rolled along the line. And we had 6.25 for the diameter, how far it rolled along the line. So that turned out to be circumference over diameter, divided those out. Oops, sorry, I've already got that. And it turned out to be exactly 3.1. So they're both pretty close. So answer to the question, no, pi does not change as the circle gets bigger. And the reason why pi doesn't change as the circle gets bigger is because pi is not a physical measurement. It's the circumference, the ratio of circumference to diameter. That's what pi is. And it's always going to be about 3.14 or 3.14 repeating. And you can figure that out on your calculator, or because I think your calculator has a pi key. Remember, if you're struggling with skills, or you want somebody to help you with your homework, or you want somebody to explain some difficult concepts with math or some not so difficult concepts with math, or you want to work ahead, you want to explore some topic, catch me at mrblocktutorsmath.com. You can come with a partner or with several of you, and it's the same tutoring cost. Thank you. We'll see you.